Hey guys, time for part 2 of reassembling the shengshou 2x2, or 5x5. So, first of all, what you need to have a red edge. A big red edge. Like this. And then you need to fit the pieces in there. And then you need to put it in its correct spot. And flipped correctly. Like this. And then you want to take another red edge, fit it in. Let's get this yellow in here, and then put it in there. Now it may be a little hard to do the second one, because then the first one may fall out, but don't worry, it will be perfectly, it will take a ton of tries to do it, but if it doesn't go in, and if one goes in and then the other one falls, just do it again and keep on trying until you get it. Then you will notice that the pieces will be loose if you've loosened your shengshou 5x5. Okay. And then you basically just keep on doing this until you have a cross. A big red cross. I gotta do this again. I may lose it. This is hard. Okay, so take this red edge, fit it, its correct pieces, put this down, get another one, get this red edge, fit it, slide this in. There we go, I got it in there. Then you just do it to the last edge. And for the last edge, for my advice, is to turn this center on the core. But it's hard to do this. And don't use tape, because then it will not turn out to be a good cube and a good 5x5. So you may have to buy another one. Okay, and then I gotta get that in there. Okay, I've got it in there. That was hard, but now I gotta put in these red corners. Or the red corner centers, I guess you should call that. Just put them in easily and don't mess up your 5x5 cross. And then we put in these little edges in there. And this takes a little bit, but then just keep on doing it until well, here, my little brother. He's crazy. Oh gosh. Okay. And then the final piece. And then you just put in these corners. This corner. And then this, the final corner. Right there. And then that's the second part of reassembling your shengshou 5x5.